how to enable night light mode on your Google Pixel 8a. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a display. Again scroll down. Here you can see night light. Toggle on it. When you toggle on night light, you can see your screen color change. Tap on a night light. Here you can set a schedule to automatically turn on night light. Turn on at a custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. Tap on a custom time. Enter the start time, end time, and you can set the time to automatically turn on the night light on your Google Pixel. Again tap on a schedule. Tap on a turn on from sunset to sunrise. Make sure turn on the location to use sunset to sunrise. So it will useful feature to read in a dim light or easily read on your device, or helpful to reduce the eye strain on your device. So go back, just toggle on or toggle off it to quickly enable or disable night light on your Google Pixel 8a. That's it. If you like it, share it.